Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So one more weekend episode on market. So this episode is very much special when the budget is about to happen in the next day tomorrow, that is February 1st, when the markets are still on, and today the economic survey is coming and so much is happening around us. So now right now finally the markets are showing certain positivity and some kind of expectations from the budget. So recovered from the lows, and now it is heading towards 23,500 and Sensex around above 77,000, showing some positive from the budget expectations. So now the economic survey is about to come, and apart from that, what is other things happening in the global front is very much with the US markets, where Trump have started slapping the tariffs on Colombia and Canada as well as Mexico, and even he's talking about keeping some kind of tariffs even on India, Brazil, China, or Russia. So much is happening from the US, and they are having some issues with DeepSeek has become very popular there under artificial intelligence and AI apps, and so there is a wake up call for the America on. So they have made this app DeepSeek, the Chinese, with lower expenses and with less time, and buy in with very effective way. So there is so much is happening, and Nvidia is already crashed. So these things are happening at US front, and there is a Fed rate cut has kept unchanged by the Fed. They are saying still the inflation is very much firm and economy is doing well, so there is no need of rate cut, so which is again against the opinion of President Trump. So the rates are kept unchanged between 4.5%. So again the markets are looking out, so some kind of earnings from the US tech giants. So this is what is happening for the US and global front. And when it comes back to our domestic front, and we are having the budget and as well as our Q3 earnings, few have given some good results and few have given some disappointed. So the mixed earnings are still going on, keeping the investors still some kind of confusion and keeping away from the markets. Wait and watch. Let's see how the budget is shaping up, and let's see at least the next quarter the earnings, if it is picking up, then we can enter into the markets. These kind of things are happening right now for the stock markets in India. So the best positive results which have been given by like some of the companies like Hitachi and Car Trade, KPIT, Electra, Indian Bank, Blue Star, and MCX, GMR Airports, Tejas Network, SW Solar, and some bad results have given by Voltas, JK Paper, Tata Motors, Ambuja, Motilal Oswal, UTI, AMC, Exide, JM Financial. So these are all some big companies also have disappointed to some extent. So these are all Q3 earnings are going on, and upcoming events also is there. Like today we have like economic survey on 31st Jan, and 1st Feb we have on 11 o'clock. The 8th time Nirmala Sitharaman Garu has presenting the budget tomorrow, and 1st February we have F&O new rules, and 1st February we have auto sales updates, and 1st February we have Trump tariffs also is about to start on Feb 1st. So many things are coming to the market, so we can expect too much of volatility for the markets, and the budget impact could be not that much when we compare to last 2-3 years. When we are seeing the trend, the budget impact is getting minimal on the markets. So but other things coupled with budget is about to having lot of huge volatility. So we are expecting the support levels are kept at 22 22,800 and 22,500, and the resistance levels at 23,500 to 23,800. So this is the range that we can expect in the next few sessions of the market with these information. And FII selling is still going on. So far they have sold almost 81,000 crores in the Jan. So we are expecting, so they are also waiting how the budget will be presented by keeping fiscal deficit disciplined and keeping the growing and spending, government spending on track. So this is a very, very crucial how it will be succeeded. The Nirmala Sitharaman, how she will be succeeded on keeping this balance between fiscal deficit and GDP growth of which has drastically fall in the last 2 quarters, and expecting that should keep up with proper consumption and all those things. So many things are going on, and expectations are there, and lot of pressure. It is more than what we have seen in the COVID time, where the markets have fallen and the GDP growth have fallen down. Then immediately they have printed and spent. But now this is not the way we can do it. We cannot do beyond a certain limit of printing and or going beyond certain expenditure like physical deficit. So there is a cap like 4.5%, 4.9% of GDP we can maintain the physical deficit. So many things are there to balance. So everyone is looking at India. So how we will manage this situation where the lowest growth with higher inflation, higher interest rates, and FIS selling, and even our rupee is also coming down. So RBI even has taken some measures pushing the liquidity of 60,000 crores into the banking system. So we need to see how these kind of measures will take place and lift the market. And right now you can add certain stocks in the large cap stocks, definitely, like REC, PFC, Electra, NTPC, Power Grid, those kind of things, and some mid large cap stocks like TCS, HDFC, Reliance, HUL. You can keep up your list to add some large cap stocks for sure, which have slipped drastically. So all the very best to all the investors. Let's hope this budget will be very much fruitful to the economy as well as the middle class group. Thank you so much for watching.